Hi guys, it's Rishmina and welcome back to the Peppy Podcast. Welcome. Today's episode is about crying and about how strong people cry. Crying is a response that human beings have, and it's defined as the dropping of tears in response to an emotional state or pain. We shed tears when we feel sad or happy or overwhelmed or due to a range of emotions like empathy, surprise, anger, or grief. Biochemist William H. Frey discovered that women cried an average of 5.3 times a month, whereas men only cried 1.3 times a month. And this could be anything from tearing up or full on sobbing. According to psychology professor and emotion researcher at University of South Florida, Jonathan Rottenberg said, crying signals to yourself and other people that there's some important problem that is at least temporarily beyond your ability to cope. There's a lot of stigma attached to crying, especially crying in front of other people. And some people try to hide their tears. Whenever they feel like crying, they go into an empty room and shut the door. I think that crying doesn't make you weak. In fact, I think it makes you strong because it shows that you have the strength to process your emotions, and there's absolutely nothing embarrassing about that. It's time to discuss the benefits of crying. The first benefit of crying is that it has a soothing effect on the body. It activates the parasympathetic system, which is the rest and digest system. It makes the body relax and rest, and it focuses on conserving energy. The next benefit is that crying releases pain. When you cry, your body releases endorphins, which are hormones that help you numb the pain you're feeling. They also help you to reduce stress and improve your mood. And it also helps you to let go of bottled up emotions. And letting go of bottled emotions is very healthy. The next benefit is that it relieves stress. So, when you cry emotional tears, they contain a higher level of stress hormones than basal tears. Basal tears are lubricating tears, and there's a third type called reflex tears, which are the tears that occur whenever a foreign body gets stuck in your eye. The next benefit is that crying gets you support from other people. Crying is an attachment behavior. It helps you to connect with others and get support from them. I've noticed that every time I cry in front of people, I get a hug or some water or some tissue paper, or I get asked if there's anything they can do to make me feel better or to help me, and that instantly makes me feel better. So I think that's really helpful. The next benefit is that it fights infection. So when you cry, you lubricate your eyes and prevent dry eyes from occurring, and it shields your eyes from dirt, debris, and irritants, and this can protect from infection. So, if you feel like crying, go and bawl your eyes out. Don't worry about what anyone says or thinks. It'll help you feel better, it'll give you an outlet, and you deserve that. However, I do want to mention that if you've been crying very often, very frequently, and are finding it hard to stop once you start, it might be a sign that something deeper is going on, and it might be something that a mental health professional could possibly help you with, if that's something you want to consider. So, thanks for listening to the Peppy Podcast. Please rate our show 5 stars if you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.